So you can see I got the Super Nintendo emulator working. I'll show you how to upload your games onto the RetroPie on the LePotato. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, this is part 2 of installing the RetroPie on LePotato. In the first part, we did the initial setup and we got the emulation working. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload games onto the RetroPie on your LePotato. So I'll link to the first video in the description. Also, you should see it somewhere here on the screen. Uh, in that first video, we've completed step 3, where we configured the USB controller. I did it on just using my keyboard. You can use any USB game controller if you would like. Now, in this part, what we're going to get is just use a regular USB thumb drive. And then we're going to format that thumb drive into FAT32. After that, we're going to create a folder. So let me show you here. I have this thumb drive here that I already formatted into FAT32 using just my Windows system. You can use any other software, by the way. Then you're going to create this folder. I'm going to call it RetroPie. So you see here, you create a folder, call it RetroPie. Now, take that USB drive and insert it into the LePotato while it's powered off. Then turn the LePotato on and wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. What the LePotato is going to do is going to add some folders for you. And you can see like it's going to detect this folder name, and then it'll create these 3 folders. And the one we really care about is the ROMs. You see this folder here, it has many folders in it, and that's where you're going to place your games. So again, you format the USB, create this folder, put it into the LePotato, wait about 5 minutes or so, then shut down your LePotato, bring it back to your PC. You should see this folder structure. Now you're going to find your ROM files, which are representing the games. I'm not going to tell you where to find these ROM files from because there are so many licenses and copyrights. So I definitely don't want to be responsible for any copyright or licenses, but you can definitely Google where to get ROM files for free. There is this article that I found on the internet that kind of explain and provide some sources. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. But I'm sure you can also Google some free files. Be careful with some licenses, and there are some copyrights. I'll leave that part for you to check. Now, assuming you have your game file, they usually come as a zip folder. You would have to download that, unzip it, get the game file, and place it into their respective folder. So you're going to see these folder like Nintendo, etc. So let's go back to these folders, and I'll show you here. You see these folders, and you just need to know which system is the game part of. So if it's like a Nintendo, for example, you would place it into the Nintendo folder. And if it's like a Sega or Atari, so you just have to place it in their respective folder. After you do so, take that USB back into the LePotato and then do another restart. So you would shut down the LePotato, you would put the USB back into the LePotato, turn it on, wait a few minutes, and it will automatically copy these games from the thumb drive into the LePotato. This is pretty much it. Unfortunately, like I said, I cannot really share games, or I'm not sure which one are free or not, but I will provide the link to this article. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.